Thank you. Good morning, all of you. So last time we have done with household items. Yes, we have learned 5 household items, which are in your book, and 5 household items extra we have learned. Yes, dears. Everyone is reading your book. They're reading that five household items. Yes. Okay. Good. And bird classwork notes I have. Now it's clear. Voice is clear.
Hi, yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am. Suprita, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Those, if my voice is low, please check your device sound. Yes, check your device sound. So it's clear completely. Yes. So I have uploaded a bird classwork notes. So everyone, I hope everyone has finished. Yes. Today we are going to learn something new. For that, I'm going to give you many activities in your home itself. Okay. So today you are going to run here and there in your home. So be active as usual, how you are always active in class. So just be active like that. And I want answers only in chat box. Okay, everyone be ready to give answers in chat box. Yes? Shall we start the games? Activities? Yes? And I want
Yes,
active
ma'am.
participation. Yeah. Yes, very good. So the first thing, I can understand it will take time to type in chat box, but try to type in chat box. Okay. I will give you 5 seconds. I will give you 5 seconds. What you have to do, you have to run your home within your home, and the first person to whom you are seeing, that first person name you have to write in your chat box. Either if you see your mother, write your mother name in chat box. Yes. If you see your father first, write your father name in chat box. Like that, just run to your home and just see the first family person or first person to whom you are seeing. I want that name in chat box. And your time starts now. Tick tick one, tick tick two, tick tick three, tick tick four, and tick tick five. Yes, I'm getting so many names in chat box. Lovely, all of you. Wow. Many of you have given your mother name. Some have given father name. Very nice. Brother name, sister name. Okay. So each person have some name. Even you have some name. I have some name. Yes. So each person have name. So first activity we have done, to find out the person in family, and you have to write the person name. Person we say in Hindi vyakti. What we say person? Vyakti. व्यक्तियों के नाम means person name. So you have mentioned that. Now the second activity. Be ready, everyone. I will give you 10 seconds. Okay, for this. And what you have to do, you have to run and you have to open your fridge, check which vegetable is available, and any one vegetable name you have to write in the chat box what is available in your fridge. Yes? And your time starts now. Tick tick one, tick tick two. We have learned vegetables name in Hindi, so you can write that. If you have tick tick three, tick tick four, tick tick five, tick tick six, tick tick seven, tick tick eight, tick tick 9, and tick tick 10. Yes, I'm getting so many vegetables in chat box. सब्जियों के नाम, yes, vegetable we say सब्जी और तरकारी. So सब्जियों के नाम बहुत सारे chat box में आ रहे हैं. Very good observation. That within 10 seconds you just went and observed the vegetable which is available in your fridge. So this tomato, gajar, carrot, aloo, bangan, beans, so many vegetables names you have writing in the chat box. So that all are name of the vegetable. So each vegetable had some name. How the each person has name, like that each vegetable also had some name. And if suppose on the table we are keeping tomatoes, potato, onion, chili, so many things, if we are keeping, what we say? We say vegetables. What we say? These are vegetables. That means the vegetable is also one name. Of that all the vegetables, we say vegetable. Under that, so many vegetables will come. Yes? Under that, so many vegetables will come. So vegetable is also group name. And this carrot, tomato, potato, these all are vegetables names. Yes? Now, we have seen the first person names. Second activity we have done for the vegetables. Come on, now third activity. Ready all of you for the third activity? Yes? Again, I'm going to tell you to run over here and there. So, what is the third activity? You have to visit your room, maybe in your study table, nearby your study table, or where you are keeping stationery items, in cupboard or study table or anywhere. That place you have to visit and write any one stationery item in chat box. Yes, किसी एक वस्तु का नाम आपको chat box में लिखना है, and I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Come on, quickly run and start writing. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, and last tick tick 5. Come on, quickly come back and start writing in chat box which stationery item you have observed in your room, in your stationery things. Yes, I'm getting so many answers. Eraser, note, sharpener, pencil, glue, bed, book. Okay. So many answers I'm getting. Very good. Lovely dears that you all are giving answers in chat box. Superb. Clap for yourself. And this is what a teacher wants. Yes, very nice. So all those stationery items for things, that all are things name. Yes, so things we say vastu or cheese. We can say cheese, gharelu cheese we have learned. Yes, so vastu means also things. So what you have written all those names, that pen, kalam, book, pencil, eraser, these are also stationary items. Vastu, stationary के वस्तुओं के नाम है ये. So each thing had some name. Each thing also had some name. Each person had some name. Each vegetable had some name. And the group of some items that also have some name. Okay. Now the next activity. What you have to do again, I will give you 5 seconds. Okay, only 5 seconds. So quickly you have to run to your kitchen, observe which fruit is available in your kitchen, come back and write the fruit name. And your time starts now. Come on, quickly run and write the fruit name. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. Come on, run fast. Tick tick 4. And tick tick 5. I hope everyone has came back to your place, observed which fruit is available in your kitchen or maybe where you are keeping on the dining table. And many answers I'm getting in the chat box. Superb, lovely. Orange, papita, apple, kela, lemon. Okay. So many things I'm getting in chat box. Very nice. Superb. Yes. So everyone has fruits in our home. Yes. So any one fruit name you have to mention. So fruits को क्या बोलते हैं in Hindi? फल. फलों के नाम. So each fruit also has some name. See, you have observed the fruits and you are writing the fruit names. So each fruit also have some name, and the group of all this banana, apple, papaya, and strawberry, guava, these all things if we are keeping on the table, what we say? Fruits name, falon ke naam. So that group name is fal, fruits. Yes, so each and every one has some name. Now, one more thing now. Next activity. This activity I'm not saying to run over here and there. Just you have to write the answer in chat box. Yes, I want answer that which is your favorite place? Place name. Like my favorite place is Mumbai. What is your favorite place? City name, or you can write any village name. What is your favorite city? Or what is your favorite village? Delhi, okay. Beach Park, okay, that is the name. Grandmother home, okay. The place name, I want that place name. Like Kodaikanal, Bangalore, Mumbai, Kanyakumari, Chennai, Munnar. Wow, superb. So many places. At your favorite place, you want to visit there once. You wish to visit there with your family after this corona finished. Yes, after this corona vanished, actually. So, school, very good. Someone is writing your favorite place is school, but because of situation, we are not visiting our school. Okay, so these all are what the places name you have written. For place, we say in Hindi, sthan. What we say? Sthan. Sthan ke naam. Sthan means place. So each and every place had some name. Yes, where we all are staying now in Chennai. So Chennai is a name of city. So each city, each village, each state, each country had some name. Yes. So whatever available in this complete world has name. There is not a single thing, there is no name. Okay, so everyone has some name. Now I want to give you two situations. Yes, and you have to listen carefully and you have to tell me, just feel it and tell me the name of that feeling. Yes, so listen carefully everyone. The first thing, the first situation I'm going to tell you, suppose, imagine, just close your eyes and imagine that you are watching cartoons. Yes, you all are watching cartoons for a long time, 3 hours, 4 hours, continuously you are watching cartoons. And your mother continuously telling you, dear, complete your homework, complete your classwork, write something. But you are not at all listening to your mother and you are busy to watching cartoon. What will be the feelings or what will be the emotions on your mother face? Yes, what will be the feeling or what will be the emotions on your mother face? Yes, crying or angry. Yes, she'll be unhappy or she'll be sad. She'll be angry. Maybe she'll be angry. Yes, because she's saying 10 times and you're not at all listening single time. So maybe she will be very angry. Or maybe she will be very sad that my child is not listening to me. Yes, she will be shouting. Yes, she will shout. Why she will shout? Because she is angry, so she will shout. Yes. So, what the names you have written in chat box? Unhappy, sad, angry, shout. These all are names of the feelings, name of the emotions, name of the facial expressions. Yes, we can't see that, we can't touch that, but we can feel that. Yes, now just I have told you the situation. You just imagine what will happen. You can't touch that feelings, you can't see that, but you can feel. Yes, my mother is angry now. Yes. So angry, angry को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? गुस्सा होना. Angry means गुस्सा होना. Sad means dukhi hona. So these are gussa, dukhi. These all are names of the feelings. Yes. Now one more situation I'm going to tell you. Now listen and give the answer in chat box. Yes. Ready? All of you open your ears strongly. I know everyone will give answer quickly. Yes. So the situation is, if suppose teacher is teaching something in your class. Teacher is teaching something in your class, and if she is asking questions and the children are very active and they are giving answers continuously in chat box or somewhere else, what is the teacher's feelings? What will be the teacher's expressions, feelings, emotions? If the teacher is asking so many questions or giving so many activities and all the children are participating very interestingly, yes, very nice, I'm getting answers. That is my actually feeling now. I'm feeling that same thing because you all are giving answers whatever I'm asking, and so I'm very happy. Yes, happy means खुश होना in Hindi. So खुश होना, happy, excited, feeling nice. These all are name of the feelings. So names are everywhere. Yes, there is no only name in for fruits, for vegetables, for a person, for place name. There is a name in feelings also. Yes, happy, sad, angry, these all are names of the feelings. Yes. Now, I'm going to tell you one thing and you have to imagine and you have to write the answer in chat box. Let's check your imagination. Yes? Come on, everyone close your eyes and listen carefully and then imagine and write the answer in chat box. We can find that in the forest. That is a very huge in size and have one trunk, two big teeth, and in gray color. What was that? Yes, Nandika, very good. Elephant, yes. It's elephant. For elephant, we say hathi in Hindi. Hathi, yes. Very good guess. Superb, lovely, dears. Really happy today in class that you are answering such a nice way. Superb. Clap for yourself. Yes, hathi, elephant. So elephant is what? Elephant is a bird or elephant is an animal? What is elephant? Or person? What? Yes, animal. Yes, elephant is a animal. So there are many animals come under animal group. We can say janwar in Hindi. Sometimes we can say pashu also in Hindi for animal. So pashu jat. Jat means we can say in group. Okay. Manushya jat. Manushya means humans. So under humans we can find out many humans like many girls name, boys name, person names, famous personality, all kind of humans will come under humans, manushya. Like that, pashu. Pashu means animal or we can say janwar. So in that pashu jat group of animal, there are many animals will come. Yes. So the each group also have name. Each things also have name. Each animal have name. Each bird have name. Each fruit, vegetable, place, person, feelings. Everyone has some name. Okay. Now again, we'll imagine something. Yes. Just tell me the bird name. That is one bird. Okay. So imagine just nice sky and the bird is flying high in the sky and the eyesights are very strong. Just imagine. Yes, Nandika. Very good. The flying high in the sky and the eyesights are very strong. The bird name is eagle. Very good. And for eagle, we say in Hindi, chila. Ch ko badi e ki matra chi la. Chil. Very nice. Superb. Lovely. So, birds we say chidiya or we can say pakshi. So that is a group name, Pakshi and Chidiya, and under that so many birds will come like Koyal, Tota, More, Cheel, yes, Ullu, many birds names will come. So each bird, each thing has name. Yes, now one last activity we are going to do and then we will start the lesson. So what you have to do, you have to I will give you 5 seconds again. So you have to run fast, observe, come back, and write in chat box. Okay? Honestly, you have to observe and you have to go. Yes? You have to run, you have to observe, come back, and you have to give the answer. So the activity is you have to run to your own room or your bedroom. First color which you observed there, that color name you have to write in chat box. Visit your room or bedroom, observe the color, which color you can see the first, come back and write that color name in chat box. And your time starts now. Tick tick 1, tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, and time's end. I hope everyone came back, observed the color, and I'm getting the answers in chat box that you are writing so many colors name. Wow, wonderful. The safed, pink, blue, red, hara, very nice. Some are writing in Hindi, some are writing in English. That's good. Good thing, dears. So many colors also you have observe. So how you can understand that is a black color or that is a safed white color or that is a blue color? Because we have given a name for each color. So there is a name for everything. And for name, we say noun in Hindi. And for name, we say naam in Hindi. For name, we say naam in Hindi. So naam. Naam, that means name. So in any sentence, if there is a name comes, we call that is a noun in English grammar. Yes, we call as a noun. And in Hindi, for noun, we say sangya. What we say? Sangya. Here on the screen, you can see sa ko anki matra sangya. The संयुक्त व्यंजन स ऊपर एक बिंदु है, then j is a संयुक्त व्यंजन and आ की मात्रा. संज्ञा means noun. Girija ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yes, Suprita ma'am.
Yeah, screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am. Noun screen is visible, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So children, listen carefully. This noun lesson is not in your book. Any grammar part is not in your book, in your textbook of Hindi. This is extra we are teaching. For that, we will provide you this PPT and classwork notes. So for assessment, you have to follow the PPT and classwork notes, especially for classwork notes for assessment. Yes, this is in your syllabus, but this grammar part is not in your book. Why we are teaching grammar part? It will be help you. It will help you for spoken Hindi, and whenever you are reading the sentences, you can get to know what is noun, what will be the verb, what is the adjective. Everything we are going to learn this complete year. Yes. So slowly, when you understand where you have to now use noun and where you have to use verb, it will be easy for you to make sentence and for spoken Hindi. Yes. So this notes, this related any grammar part is not in your book. For that, you have to refer our PPT and classwork notes. Yes, dears. Clear? Yes. So we are going to see the definition of noun today. What we are going to see? Definition of noun. Definition को हिंदी में कहते हैं व्याख्या. So today we are going to learn about noun, that is संज्ञा. किसी प्राणी, I'm reading first then I will explain. किसी प्राणी, वस्तु, जाति, भाव, स्थान आदि का नाम ही उसकी संज्ञा कही जाती है. यस, किसी मीन्स एनी. प्राणी means all kind of things will come, like animals, birds, insects and human beings. Like you can say living things or you can say animals, because humans are also animal. Yes, so in that all kind of animals plus humans. Next, vastu means what? Things name, what you have observed in stationery, in household items. Yes. Jati means a group, you can say. You can say group like vegetable, fruit, humans, animal, bird. These are group names. And under that, so many names will come. Okay. Bhava means feelings, or you can say emotions. And sthana means place. So all those names means noun. For noun को हिंदी में कहते हैं संज्ञा. Noun को हिंदी में कहते हैं संज्ञा. So what is the definition? किसी प्राणी, in prani, animal, bird, insects, human beings, everything will come. Or you can say, you can add vyakti also. Vyakti means person, only person. Pashu means only animal. So prani means everything. किसी प्राणी, वस्तु means things, जाति, भाव आदि का नाम ही उसकी संज्ञा कही जाती है. These all names means noun. किसी प्राणी, वस्तु, जाति, भाव, स्थान means place, आदि means etc. So everything, the all included name, that is noun. And noun in Hindi we say sangya. What we say? Sangya. So here they have given again definition. Let's read. किसी प्राणी, वस्तु, स्थान, भाव आदि का नाम ही उसकी संज्ञा कही जाती है. The all the names means noun. See the example noun. Here they have written vyakti. Vyakti means person. Okay, so many names we can take in vyakti. For example, in class, if Rajesh, Dinesh, Raj, Rohit, Rahul, Sita, Geeta, Pranita, Prajakta, so many names are vyakti, person. Or we can say Jawaharlal Nehru, we can say Narendra Modi, Gandhi ji, Rajnikant, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, these all are also come into the person, either that famous personality or normal. Yes, Vyakti means person. Next, Pustak. Pustak, we can say one more name in Hindi, that is Kitab. Kitab means book. Pustak means book. So book is also one noun, that is group name. Yes, which book, they have not mentioned the name of the book, like Hindi book or some encyclopedia, dictionary book, anything. They have not mentioned the name. If they mention the name, that is also a noun. If they mention only book, that is also a noun, because book is a group name. Next, mage. Mage means table. So that is also a household thing's name, but they have not mentioned which kind of table. Is the dining table or study table, which company table, whatever they have not mentioned. They have mentioned that name of the table, that is also noun. Only table, that is also noun. Next, gadi. Gadi means vehicle. So gadi is also noun, and which kind of, that is a truck or car or bike, that is also a noun. Which kind of car is the BMW or any Maruti Suzuki, or these are company names. So that is also coming to the noun. So what is noun in Hindi? We say संज्ञा. That is in the first point. Noun को हिंदी भाषा में संज्ञा कहते हैं. Noun को हिंदी भाषा में संज्ञा कहते हैं. संज्ञा means noun. Bhasha means what? Language. So in Hindi language, for noun we say संज्ञा. So what is there in संज्ञा? किसी भी व्यक्ति, व्यक्ति means person. पशु, पशु means animal. जगह, जगह means also place. We say स्थान, we say जगह. Yes, पशु means animal. व्यक्ति means person. वस्तु, वस्तु means things. भावना means feelings or emotions, you can say. Jati means, you can say, group, like human group, human jat, manushya jat, pashu jat. Guna, guna means quality. So all those names means noun. किसी भी व्यक्ति, पशु, जगह, वस्तु, भावना, जाति, गुण या फिर किसी भी चीज का नाम बताने वाले शब्दों को संज्ञा कहते हैं. Anything's name means noun. Yes? So this is a definition of noun. Slowly, slowly we will see what is, we can see the examples in sentence where how to find out the noun and the types of noun we are going to see. Yes? Clear? I have off my screen, dear. Everyone is clear with the concept of noun, the definition of noun? Yes? Yes, dears? संज्ञा. नाउन को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? संज्ञा. So first of all, I want to give a big star to all of them who are really today active in class and giving so many answers in chat box. And you are actively participating, interesting to learn new language. Very good. Keep it up, dears. If you are taking this kind of interest in new language, definitely one day you are mastering Hindi. Yes, you will love Hindi language. And very good that you are taking interest, that you are learning Hindi language and you are actively participating in Hindi class. Superb. And this star for all of them, those are answering in chat box. Very good. Superb. You make your teacher happy. खुश कर दिया आपने. So खुश होना, this is also name of what? This is also a name of what? Khush hona. Yes, that is also a name. Khush, happy. The name of what? Khush hona is a name of bhavana. Very good, Teja. Feelings. Yes, bhavana. Feelings, emotions, expressions, all those come. Yes, very good. Now, quickly, I want to ask some questions. Yes. Very good. Right. Okay. So just tell me, is there any doubts? Is there any doubts in Sangya? No. Yes, no doubts. Okay, very good. So the classwork notes of birds you have to finish. So today, so after 2 days, I will post a classwork notes for gharelu cheeze, household items. Yes, household items classwork notes I will post. So if you have pictures, you can stick. Birds also I have given a Roman number 2 चित्र देखकर नाम लिखिए. Yes. So in that, if you have picture, you just stick the picture and write the name. If you don't have pictures, you just draw the pictures and color it and write the name. Otherwise, you can do like this. You can make a box and you can write here picture of crow. And then you can write kaga or kawa. If you didn't get any picture in your home or if you can't draw, then you can do like this. Okay. So you can understand in assessment, we can give such kind of pictures and you have to identify the pictures and you have to write the name. Yes, dears, clear about the classwork notes. Look at the picture and write the name. If you have picture, you can stick that. Yes. Yeah. Ojasvi, mute your video, dear. Ojasvi, mute your video. Yeah, thank you, dear. So this is about noun, and next class we are going to see the examples of noun. In sentence, how you find a noun, how you find sangya. Yes, so what is your homework? You have to read all those names which are available in your book. Like we have learned vegetables name, flowers name, household things names, birds names. Yes, so all those names are sangya, noun. When that names comes into the sentence, that only the sangya, that only the noun. So what you have to do, you have to read all those names. Yes, in Saturday, Sunday, you just do that. All the names you have to read. Yes. And how many of you are doing practice Hindi every day for 15 minutes at least? Every day are you doing study for Hindi? Yes, reading some basic letters or barakhadi or words. Yes, yes, I'm getting answers in chat box. 1 hour. Very good, Dharini. Honestly, you have to give answers, everyone. Yes. Very good. Superb. If you are doing every day, that means definitely you will learn very, very soon. What, Krisha?
Ma'am, I have doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, ask dear.
I don't know, though, ma'am. Birds, ma'am.
You don't know?
Birds. Bird.
Sorry, what you don't know?
Bird, ma'am.
Bird. You don't know birds? Do you have
Don't.
we have already.
I don't Draw it. I draw it. I don't know the bird.
What bird you don't know, dear? I couldn't get you. The word.
Huh? Draw. I say I want to draw one, ma'am. I don't know the bird. Ma'am.
Krisha, yes, Krisha, 1 minute. Huh? Krisha, I really not understand which bird you are saying about. Can you write in chat box? Draw, acha. You don't know how to draw the birds.
Ma'am.
Okay, so just find out if there is any pictures in your home, in newspaper, in magazines, or else I told you, no, just draw one box. Draw
Okay,
one
ma'am.
box and okay, just draw one box and write here that picture of crow. Yes, picture of crow and then write crow name like Kag and Kawa. Yes, you can do like this.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, welcome. Yes, someone is talking. Anyone has some doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So it's 1 minute left only. So you can on your video and thank you so much for listening nicely today and active participation. So you can on your video and say bye to your friends.
Bye, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, Stanvi.
Thank you, Suprita ma'am. Very good, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.